Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This time of the year we've lots of bulbs, corms and tubers arriving into us that flower in summer and early autumn. Two dahlias that caught my eye, two new varieties. This one here translates to get sunburn, aptly named dahlia, peach and cream. Another variety called double Jill, both easy to manage. You can start them off in pots and containers at this time of the year, ready for planting out in May, or wait a few weeks and plant them directly out into the soil. They need a sunny and free draining spot to do well, and they're all planted from tubers like this one here. And you've got to find last year's stem. That's where last year's stem was cut, and that's the way you put up. So you can pot them up in swell compost and then plant them out in May as weather gets warmer. That way you've got early colour. They flower, of course, summer and autumn. They flowered last year until the end of October. They were really fantastic late end of the year for dahlias, or directly out in the ground in a few weeks' time. Again, pointed end up, so that little last year's stem was upwards and down around 4 or 5 inches in the soil. But all dahlias need to be in a good sunny and free draining spot to do well. So that's to get sunburned and double Jill. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.